What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel for anyone that does watch the channel. Last night I was added to a page by, I don't know who it was on Facebook, literally a post 5 minutes before I literally joined the Facebook group, and there was loads of stuff up for free and it was exactly what I needed. It was like meant to be. I don't know, not believing all that shit, but it happened. And let's have a look at what I got. Now it's underneath all this fencing because we've been having some wild weather. We've been having nothing but rain. It's and it's sunny now. It's like a swamp over there. All that needs to be leveled out and compacted down, and then I can do my slabs. But what's underneath these cages here is the cages are just holding them down, is paneling for the garage. It's like 40 sheets, 10 foot by a meter, I think it is, 3.5 foot, about 40 sheets of it, so I can get a crack on with doing the shed and getting the sides up. I obviously have to fill in all around where the wood is, take the wood out and fill in around here for drainage and stuff, but we can get a move on with that. Also, all these trees need to be kind of trimmed down, gotten rid of a bit, because last thing I want is trees growing into the garage. It wouldn't be a good thing to happen. So yeah, I finally feel like I can move on with getting the actual structure sorted and then getting the patio bit done there for the parking. It's going to be absolutely massive and I can't wait, because I have a few cars that I need to work on, make a few. I'm starting a new job on Monday, so yeah, exciting times. I really want to get a start on this. So I'm just going to go get a haircut and a beard trim, and we'll be back during the week to get all this cleaned up and getting cutting and grinding and welding on stuff. Ow. Oh. Yeah, that was just me getting my haircut, banging around. We're back at it, guys, and I did pick something up yesterday, so I will need more, but it was free corrugation for the side panels of the shed. I will be getting new stuff for the roof, but this will do. It does 40 sheets of it. It's a meter by 10 feet, which is perfect for what I need, because we're going to do a 10 foot tall and the length, so that this should work out perfect. So yeah, the weather's been pretty shitty lately. This little shit is shitting and pissing everywhere, but it's fine over here. You can wee and pee there, but this was literally all laid up here nice and neat, and it just got blown all over the garden. So I'm gonna have to get all that out of the way, pack back up. That shed is getting taken down tomorrow. All that shit is gonna be gone. Then there's gonna be this over there, and then all of this is going to be built up. So we're gonna start that this week. We're gonna get some of the structure cut, welded together, and some of these panels drilled on. And then all this is getting all raked back, flattened out. I'm gonna get a thing that bashes it all down, and then we're gonna do the slabs that I have all the way down there, and they are going all here nice and tidy. But we are gonna build the walls, back wall, side wall, and then the front. The roof can wait. Obviously I'll have to figure out something with the roof, but it's coming along, guys. We have stuff to get it started. But first off, I need to wash the wife's car and the Mini, because I haven't done it in weeks. That's the cars washed. I'm gonna get back to the garage thing, but I'm not gonna film knocking down that shed. I'll just show you when it's finished in the next few days, and we will get a start on getting all this metal out the back, start cutting up sections of it, making a few squares with some downs and crosses in it, and then bolt the steel to it and then stand it up against the wall, and that's one section done. And we need to make 5 or 6 of them, because I'm going to do the back wall in 2 sections, and then the other side, then that's 2 sides, the back done, and then make the front with the door. So loads of work to do with my week off, so let's go.